Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Toyota RAV4. First of all, I'm going to delete it off my phone. Forget this device, forget. So that's gone from there. Then it says there that no Bluetooth audio device connected. So we'll go back, we'll go to nav. So to delete a mobile, we go to setup, you've got general Bluetooth telephone, we go to Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make this system discoverable, paired device list, that's what we want, paired device list. And it's showing Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there, so I click on that, that's the one I want to delete, and you'll see there, delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, or connect for internet, connect all. We want to delete pairing, so delete pairing. Do you want to delete pairing for Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Yes. That's it gone.